As the chairman of Bugwas Festival, it is my greatest honor to welcome everyone to the grand comeback of our very own Bugwas Festival. After 6 long years, Bugwas is finally back. And we are here to celebrate once again the vibrant culture, traditions, and artistry that makes San Juan truly unique.
Bugwas refers to a spark of water from an unequal water, a powerful symbol of our town, known best with abundant nature springs that have nourished our life, sustain our people, and brought life to our fields and seas.
San Juan, ikaw ang mong mahal. Amo ikaw ang pingan, kay ikaw ang Pinoy anak. San Juan, Bugwas, San Juan, isa na mong tanan. Dili o dili yun kalimtan, among itulong sa kaliwatan. Sa isla sa Siquijor, niadtong Nobyembre 6, 1863 nahimugso ang lungsod, nagigasahan sa hiyas sa kinaiyahan.
Hopefully, through Bugwas Festival, we will continue to preserve our heritage, promote our artistry, and strengthen our identity as San Juanias. Once again, welcome to Bugwas Festival 2025. Sa San Juan, katauhan ang number 1. Dagang salamat and may God bless us all.
San Juan, ikaw ang mong mahal. Amo ikaw ang pingan, kay ikaw ang mong Pinoy anak. San Juan, Bugwas, San Juan, isa na mong tanan. Dili o dili yun kalimtan, among itulong sa kaliwatan. Kaumahan kadagatan, o kalasangan, puno sa mga buhilaman, gasang binubahan din sa katawhan ang aing pasalamatan. Sa espirituhan ng
Even as we face the present challenge of water scarcity, the return of this beloved tradition reminds us that springs may run dry, but they can also return stronger, fuller, and more life-giving than even before.